In a rain-swollen city, a young cartographer traced old river channels to a forgotten plaza buried beneath flood. When the water rose, the map glowed, revealing a submerged stairwell to temple ruins. Guided by a stubborn beacon, volunteers threaded rising streets, rescuing elders and safeguarding murals from ruin. Officials credited the unseen chart for turning chaos into a careful evacuation and reopening heritage to the public. Dawn found the island temple stabilized, and the city vowed to protect the waterway for future legends.